On 138, you're going to be searching for video transitions. This is kind of like just showing you what's happening here, that you can actually use search features and stuff. So anyway, step number 1, you open if necessary. Ours already open. On the effects panel here, we're going to type SW in a contain box with a search box here, as shown in figure 46. So in here, you're going to type in SW. Let's see here on my box. Where's that at? Where's my search? Effect controls. Can't find mine. Hold on. It's not up here on the effect controls. It's going to be on the bottom here on the effects panel. Okay? Let's see what it said here. Yeah, effects panel. I'm sorry. And you're going to type in SW. And it shows you that this is a live update thing. You can start typing the name of a transition and it'll show you what it is. All the options that you have. Everything that is as SW as a component of their name pops up. So what do we want to see here? We click on the close button to clear. Alright, so we want to drag the swirl transition between scenic 3 and 5. And we have to put it at the center, at cut. Okay, so it's going to be the swirl transition between 3 and 5. So where's 3 and 5? Let's move our timeline over here. This is where the 3 and 5 are, 5 and 3. I want to replace this with a swirl. So under slide, under video transitions, I'm going to click and drag and replace it. Boom. So now I created a swirl transition between 3 and 5. Save your project. Let's take a look at this. Okay, so here we used to have this cross dissolve, but now we have swirl. Alright. So let's file save. And then now we're going to go into the copying video transitions. We're going to click on the pinwheel transition between 1 and 3, and we're going to copy that. We're going to bring the CTI to the cut line between 3 and 5, and we're going to paste it there. So this is going to show you that you can actually, and a helpful tip here, you can use page down to jump directly to the cut lines. So if they want us to copy the pinwheel transition, this is what we do. We click on it, we select it, and you can Control C, or you can go to Edit and copy, not cut, copy, Control C. Next, we want to make sure that our playhead is at the cut line between scenic 3 and 5. Okay? And I'm going to use the page down button to put it exactly there. Page down. Page up takes you to the previous cut. Page down takes you to the next one. This is where we want to be. And we're going to be replacing the swirl. So we're going to go to Edit and Paste. And you're going to notice that that replaces the swirl effect that we had previously in there. So very cool thing, very cool feature that you can actually cut and paste elements, animation elements and transitions inside of the timeline. The one thing you have to remember is that the copying and pasting of elements always follows the CTI. So wherever your playhead is, that's where the effect is going to be applied to. Pay attention to that. Be very careful with that. On page 139 here, we're going to be repeating steps 4 and 5 to paste the copy transition over all the remaining cut lines in the sequence. So basically what we're replacing is the cross dissolve with the pinwheel from the original scenic between scenic 1 and 3. Okay? So very fast. You can just use the page down button. Page down, Control V to paste, page down, Control V to paste, page down keyboard key, Control V, page down V, page down Control V, Control V, page down Control V, and so on. So this is very fast. It doesn't take long at all. Boom, I am done. Preview the changes on your program monitor. So I'll click on the home key and I'll press enter to play this thing, or just click on this play button here. Let's take a look. I want to see pinwheels. Alright, that's a whole minute of this, which I'm not going to wait for. Okay? So file save, and that's it. So